Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is glucagon, the hormone that raises blood glucose. By the end of this video, you'll know how it differs from insulin, where it's made, and what happens during a long workout or between meals. Glucagon is a hormone produced by the alpha cells in the pancreas. It's released when blood glucose is low. Glucagon causes the liver to break down stored glycogen back into glucose, which is then released into the blood. The result, blood glucose rises back to normal. Three things. 1. Glucagon raises blood glucose, insulin lowers it. They're opposite hormones, both made by the pancreas by different cell types. 2. Glucagon works on the liver, mobilizing stored glycogen. And 3. Without glucagon, your brain would have no way to keep glucose available between meals. Common slip. Glucagon and glycogen are easily confused but different. Glucagon is a hormone. Glycogen is a storage molecule, a long chain of glucose units. Glucagon causes glycogen to break down back into glucose. Quick example, long distance run. 2 hours in, your blood glucose is dropping fast. Alpha cells in the pancreas detect the fall and release of glucagon. Glucagon tells your liver to break glycogen back to glucose. Glucose pours into your blood, fueling your muscles. Glucagon secretion stops when the blood glucose returns to normal. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.